Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the rolling hills of a far-off land, there lived a young boy named Finn. Finn was a curious and adventurous boy who loved nothing more than exploring the world around him. One day, while wandering through the village, Finn stumbled upon a mysterious shop tucked away on a quiet street. The sign above the door read, "Curios and Wonders," and the windows were filled with a dazzling array of strange and fascinating objects. Finn's curiosity was piqued, and he pushed open the door to reveal a dimly lit interior filled with even more wonders. There were shelves upon shelves of peculiar items, each one more intriguing than the last. As Finn explored the shop, he came across a small, intricately carved box with a glowing gemstone set into its lid. Suddenly, the box opened, and a puff of smoke emerged, carrying with it the scent of far-off lands and exotic spices. A soft voice spoke to Finn, "Welcome, young adventurer. I have been waiting for you." Finn looked around, wondering who was speaking to him. That's when he saw a wise old man with a kind face and twinkling eyes. "Who are you?" Finn asked. "I am Professor Pocket, the proprietor of this humble shop," said the old man. "And I have a special quest for you, Finn." Professor Pocket told Finn that a mischievous band of fairies had stolen a magical artifact, the Golden Acorn, which was the source of the village's prosperity. The professor needed Finn's help to retrieve the Golden Acorn and restore the village's good fortune. Finn, being the brave and eager adventurer he was, agreed to help. Together, they set out on a thrilling quest to track down the fairies and retrieve the Golden Acorn. Their journey took them through enchanted forests, across sparkling rivers, and over misty mountains. Along the way, they encountered a cast of colorful characters, including a wise old owl named Hoot, a mischievous imp named Pixie, and a kind-hearted witch named Willow. As they neared the fairies' hideout, they encountered all manner of obstacles, from tangled vines to treacherous paths. But Finn's bravery and Professor Pocket's wisdom helped them overcome every challenge. Finally, they reached the fairies' lair, where they found the Golden Acorn nestled in a bed of soft moss. The fairies, impressed by Finn's determination and kindness, returned the Golden Acorn and even offered to grant him a single wish. Finn wished for the ability to help others and make the world a better place. And with that, the Golden Acorn glowed brightly, filling Finn's heart with a sense of purpose and belonging. From that day on, Finn and Professor Pocket became the best of friends, going on many more adventures together and spreading joy and wonder throughout the land. And the village prospered once more, thanks to the return of the Golden Acorn.